In the heart of the 15th century, Florence bloomed as a cradle of the Renaissance. Amidst this artistic rebirth, one sculptor stood tall, his name echoing through the annals of history: Donatello. A master of his craft, Donatello was a pioneer in the revival of classical sculpture, his works a testament to the spirit of the Renaissance. Yet, none were more celebrated than his bronze masterpiece, the David. The year was 1446. Florence, threatened by the power of the Medici family, found itself in a state of unease. Yet, amidst this turmoil, a commission arrived for Donatello to create a sculpture of David, the biblical hero who slew the giant Goliath. Donatello accepted the commission, not as a mere task, but as a challenge. He saw in David a symbol of Florence's courage and resilience, a beacon of hope amidst the city's uncertain future. With hammer and chisel, Donatello began his work. He sculpted the young David, standing defiant, poised to hurl his stone at the giant. The statue was revolutionary. It was neither the idealized, ethereal beauty of Greek statues nor the ornate, decorative style of the Gothic. Instead, it was a depiction of a real, human David, filled with emotion and vulnerability. The statue was unveiled in 1447. Florence's citizens were awestruck. Here was a David that was not just a hero, but a symbol of the city's spirit: strong yet vulnerable, bold yet human. The statue became a symbol of the Renaissance, a testament to Donatello's genius, and a beacon of hope for Florence in its darkest hour. The David stood tall, a symbol of resistance against the Medici family's power. It was more than just a statue, it was a rallying cry for the people of Florence, a reminder of their strength and resilience. In the years that followed, the David became a symbol of the Renaissance, a testament to the spirit of the age. It was a time of rebirth, of renewal, of the triumph of art and human spirit over adversity. And at the heart of it all was Donatello's David, a symbol of hope, courage, and the indomitable spirit of the Renaissance.